What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Go YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the IPOE SPAC merging with SoFi. We're basically going to go over, is it a good time to buy now? Are you getting a good deal? What's going on with the delays? We're going to go over all of that. And basically, I just want to make this video to pretty much say that your money would be in great hands with this company. Don't worry about the ups and downs. Just play this one a little bit longer and good things are going to happen. So let's get into the video. This is the SPACinsider.com. This merger was announced on January 7th, a $6.6 billion deal. The reason why there's a delay is because the SPAC mergers were having some pushbacks on the warrants. So looks like a lot of companies had to refile, and that's why the SPAC had the massive sell-off as well. A lot of pushback, a lot of time frames extended. So we're just covering that real quick. And let's take a look at the stock and see what kind of movement we've been getting. So guys, I want you to know I am heavily invested in IPOE. I have stocks and I have call options, okay? I put a lot of money in the stock, and I put about 25% of what I put in the stock inside of options, okay? It's a very high number. It's over $10,000, and I'm just pretty much chilling on this one. I bought some 2022 January calls, and I do plan on adding more call options right before the merger. I'm going to add some probably 2023s if this one continues to stay hovering around. So if you want to know if you're getting a good deal on this one right now as far as price range, as we can see, this stock has hit highs of 28 bucks. And basically, in the last month, the absolute lowest you could have grabbed this company is around $14. So we're around $16.78. I want you guys to know right now, I got a little bit aggressive, like a month ago on this company. So I bought a lot heavier because I didn't know that sell-off was going to happen that we experienced the past couple of weeks. So my average is around 17, 18, 1750. I don't know. I'm not really buying right now. I could average down, when it was 15. I'm just not really worried about it. I'm happy with the average, okay? Sometimes you just got to be happy and, stop worrying about your average price. If you're $2, $3, $4 off, who cares? Just give it a little bit of time to wake up. Just know you're getting a good deal as far as, this company already hit 28 bucks. So I think it's a great time for anyone that hasn't bought in to bought in. If you want to add to your position, you should add to your position if you've been doing research on the company. We're going to take a look at the investor presentation real quick, but I want you guys to see as far as the institutional holdings right now. You just go on the NASDAQ, type in the IPOE. This shows you the institutional holdings. This is the whales, the billionaires, the big money, okay? Has a 48% institutional ownership right now with the IPOE merger. And it says decrease positions. People that sold out, lowering their positions, is 2 holders for 67,000 shares. We've been seeing increased positions. So guys, the smart money is adding, it looks like. New positions, 97 holders. Guys, they're not selling, sold out. 0. Nobody's selling this company. They're just shorting it, getting retail to sell out from that $28 high, and they're buying $14, $15, $16. They're just buying this company up. And we're going to show you why they're buying it, because of the upside potential for the years to come and the months. So we'll take a look at this. So guys, SoFi is doing a wide variety of, money opportunities for customers. Their main goal, their headline is get your money right, borrow, save, spend, invest, and protect. So they're saying SoFi is uniquely positioned at the epicenter of digital revolution in the financial services. This is the only one-stop shop across the board, digital disruptor across financial services. 65% of home loans, 25% of student loans, 21% of personal loans, 35% invest members. So guys, they do stocks as well. They are getting on the verge of doing options trading for their investment strategy. So they're going to be adding options soon. So we're just going to go through this investor presentation to cover some big headlines right here. Once again, the money, invest, personal loans, credit cards, home loans. Guys, they pretty much do it all. The winner takes most fintech opportunity remains, and it's now SoFi's time. So guys, they're trying to just disrupt the entire financial sector. I'm very excited for this company. It looks like it's going to be merging in May. They refiled their S4 documents and stuff like that for the warrants. So we're getting very close to this merger, and I want to take a look at the numbers. So, guys, they are on track to exceed 3 million members in 2021, up 75% after 6 consecutive quarters of accelerating year over year growth. So, guys, you're getting amazing growth when you're buying this company, okay? 75% year over year growth with, their memberships. I mean, look at this, guys. 3 million this year. Guys, we're already a third of the way done with 2021. So guys, this is happening right now. This isn't one of those SPAC stocks with numbers, 2023, 2024, 2025. It's happening right now as we speak. You're in the game, okay? It's just absolutely amazing how fast this company is growing. This company has amazing financials, driving accelerating revenue growth and margin expansion, okay? The numbers, I've looked at the numbers, guys. I've probably looked at this investor presentation 30 times, as I continue to add money. Um, right now, guys, 2021, they're predicting $980 million in revenue. So pretty much everyone inside of my Patreon, that's where I do my one-on-one, helping everybody day in and day out, looking for stocks to buy, dips. I've been telling people to avoid any company that's not doing, 50 million in revenue, especially if it's a SPAC. You want to get, big revenue companies that are going to be growing, getting a lot of headlines. And guys, almost $1 billion in revenue right now. You're literally inside of the company growing right now at $1 billion in revenue. And they're predicting $3.669 billion in 2025. It looks like their adjusted EBITDA goes positive this year, guys. $27 million, $1 billion in 2025. So, guys, this company is growing very fast, on the verge of being profitable. I mean, there's just no telling the upside potential on this fintech play. So as you do more research on the company, guys, there's tons and tons of headlines. If you look at the Motley Fool, I've never seen a SPAC stock do so many headlines. This is the #1 SPAC stock for headlines, guys, since they pretty much announced. I mean, just look at this. Fintech could be a long winner. SoFi growth stock. SoFi has so much potential. SoFi moving forward with a SPAC merger plans. Guys, I've never seen a SPAC have this many headlines. You can scroll all the way back to as soon as they made the announcement. Motley Fool is going to be pumping this one for the next 5 years, especially after the merger, guys. I mean, as far as a price target, we're going to look at the valuation to see if we can get a fair price target on this company right now. But just know, once the deal completes, there's going to be 865 million shares. Okay, you're going to get that deep down on the investor presentation. 865 million shares right here at the $10 range. And remember, guys, my average is like 17.50 on the deal. So 865 million shares. You just type this in on the it's the Omni calculator. Stock price right now 16.50. So the deal is valued at 14 market cap, 14 billion market capitalization. Okay, so right now, is this a good deal at 14 billion? Well, they're projecting $1 billion in revenue this year. So guys, you're getting this company at nearly 13 to 14 times sales. But if you go with an IPO like a Snowflake, that's trading at 100 times sales off their revenue, guys. That company is like a $70 billion company. So you can get a deal like this at 13 to 14 times sales. And I'm telling you, you guys seen with the big whales, nobody's selling out. They're just bringing that stock down, buying the dips up. And, once this company merges, there could be a slight sell off. It could be a little buying opportunity. I think the pipe is like 15%. So it could drop to maybe 14 bucks, but I would be adding right now because there's no guarantees that this might not run up to $19, then come back down to 16. So guys, right now, the company's trading at a 14 billion market cap at around the $16, $17 range, a little bit higher than the deal. Of course, the deal was valued at around 6.6 billion at the $10 range. So it has gone up a little bit, but still, guys, I mean, 14 billion. I mean, that's an amazing buy, I believe, right now. I'm not really adding, but once again, if I have some other companies that come up and I make a lot of money on some options that I'm doing, and I want to be honest, guys, right now, I mean, since last Tuesday, that could have been the bottom. I'm not guaranteeing it, but it might have been the bottom. I'm watching Jim Cramer. I don't like Jim Cramer, but he's pumping, getting bullish, saying we're entering the bull run right now for everything. And he does, reflect a lot of the market. He can move the market 10%. So that's a good sign that he's bullish. He's got a lot of buddies out there. So it looks like we're having some huge run-ups. And I was watching the stocks today, guys. Me inside of my Patreon, guys, we've had we were doing pretty rough, the past couple of weeks with the sell-offs with growth. But guys, our portfolios are reversing very, very fast. I mean, I reversed 20% in a matter of a week, guys. So it looks like we're entering the bull run right now. Be sure to read the link in the bio. On the Patreon, I do all my buys, all my updates. If you're busy at work and stuff like that, it's a lot of upside. And a lot of people have stuck with me in this Patreon. I'm telling you, by the end of the year, I'm predicting, we're going to have a lot of gains coming, especially right now entering earnings. This is the time you want to be buying before these earnings start coming out. We got Neo earnings coming out, Skills earnings. These are companies that I'm buying. But guys, you're getting a great deal on the company right now at the 1668 range. Okay, this is a great buy. I would be adding and adding and adding. If you don't have a position, I would continue to add if you have a small position. But this company right now, it is CHAMMATH SPAC, and it looks like it's getting shorted because the other SPAC stocks that CHAMMATH had did not perform very well. The Virgin Galactic, it's taken a long time for them to get in space. He sold out of that one. Clover Health had some legal issues. So pretty much the only SPAC I really like that, he's done is the Open Door. So I think he's merged 4 on his own. This will be the 4th, the SoFi. So I really, really like Open Door as well. But I'm telling you, SoFi, it's one of my bigger holdings now. I did not like this stock at $28. But man, I love this stock at 16, 17, 18. Got my average down to 17. The absolute lowest you could have got it at the past 2-3 months is 14 bucks. So be happy, be grateful for the sell-off. Add. I'm very excited. If I have some other companies come up, I'm going to be adding options on this one for 2023. So I just wanted to go over, some little things for you guys to see, to make sure you're getting a good deal. The institutional investors, what are they doing? The valuation on the market cap right now, the potential growth year over year, 75% customer gain, all the different variations of finance they're in right now. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update, but I think this one is a super sale, super steal. They're just trying to bring it down because CHAMMATH has had issues, with the Clover Health. This is one of the most shorted SPACs in the market. I'm adding like crazy. I'm not worried about the ups and downs right now in the short term. I know by the end of the year, this company could potentially triple. It's definitely possible this company could triple. Let's just see what could happen if we did triple. Let's just see what the market cap would go to. It would be trading around 40 times sales, which with a high growth company like this, it is definitely possible. When I say 40 times sales, remember that's going off the 1 billion revenue for this year. So 1 billion revenue, 40 billion market cap. That's not bad, okay? That's reasonable, okay, in this type of market. 40 billion sales, or 40 billion market capitalization, so 40x revenue, not bad, okay? So just a little update, a triple could possibly happen. You just don't know. So just want to go over a lot of different things. This is what I look for to make myself feel confident when I buy a stock like this. A lot of these penny stocks that I've been telling people to avoid, they're trading at about 1, 2, 3, 400 times sales. When they get up to these 2-3 billion market caps with literally 5-10 million in revenue, guys, you want to avoid those. They're going to be shorted nonstop. It could be years before they get into a decent valuation. So great buy right now. I really appreciate the support. If you've been following me, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be getting more into these videos, giving you guys updates. Please drop me a comment if you want to see more updates on other stocks that you like. So my name's Kyle. I hope you have a great day.